Hey there! This quick tutorial shows you how to add your logo and contact details. If your logo isn't transparent, no worries. Use the No Transparent Logos templates. Plus, there's a free editable Canva template included to get you started. Once you open the file, find the logo placeholder. Now, go to File and click Upload Files on the left panel. Choose your logo from your computer or phone. If you don't see your logo, check the Images tab. It's usually the first one. Drag your logo over the placeholder. Click once on your logo so the corners show up. Hold the Control key, or Command if you're on a Mac, and drag a corner to resize it. Make sure to keep the shape as you resize. Align your logo with the edges of the placeholder box. When it looks good, delete the placeholder box. Next, let's add your business info. Before that, change the color of the word's address, phone, Instagram, and website to match your brand colors. Now, add your contact details and social media links. You can type them in or copy and paste them. Before sharing, make sure to preview your design. And that's it. You're all set. Now you're ready to download your video and share it with the world. Just click Share, then Download, and you're good to go.